financial year 17 has been a very good year for GIC Re. In fact, we had a record growth of over 80% this year, and on all parameters, whether it's on the combined ratio of within 100, on the profit before tax, we have grown 22%, and even profit after tax of 3,127 crores, we have grown over 10%. In fact, over net worth also, we have grown 25% to 48,000 crores, and on the asset side also, we have grown to 95,000 crores, which is around 20% growth as well. So overall, it has been a very good year for GIC Re. Probably the most important thing I would want to share with you is that this year we have proposed 1,002 crore dividend as well to the government.
I mean, if I could ask you one thing, which now government has said that general PSU companies will be going for the listing. GIC, everyone hopes, will be the first to get listed. I know you have been maintaining a strong silence when it comes to IPO, but if you could just let us know what is the update and what is the roadmap that you are working on?
See, we are in the process of IPO, so I wouldn't want to comment on the time and the process. But then what I would only want to say is that we have kick-started the process. We have appointed merchant bankers and legal counsel, and we welcome the decision of the government for an IPO, because I think it's a very welcome step, and it shows that the government is committed to reforms. And overall, IPO is going to benefit us in many ways, whether it's from a visibility point of view, transparency point of view, accountability in our operations as well. So we think that it will benefit us in the long run.
FY18 is a timeline that you are looking at when the IPO process will be completed?
Hopefully it should be before the end of this fiscal. That is what we plan to going forward.
Ma'am, quickly if I could ask you, Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana, we know, has been an insurance product. The government has clearly changed the dimensions or the rules of the game when it comes to the insurance sector. It has indeed played a crucial role for all the general private PSU companies as well as private sector, and of course you being a reinsurer. How are you looking at that? Because that was the first year. This year the targets are only going to get enhanced. As a business proposition, how are you looking at it?
See, I agree with you that this crop insurance scheme, PMFBY, has been a game changer for the Indian insurance market, and GIC as the local reinsurer has played a very dominant role by supporting more than 50% of the market. It has benefited farmers, it has gone up, the coverage of farmers has gone up, the area coverage has gone up, and I'm sure going forward also the scheme envisages scaling it up by 40%. So overall it's going to benefit the farmer community in the country.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.